Hey everybody, I haven't done any resin in a while, so I wanted to show you. I did some resin last night. I will link my resin playlist so you can see how I did it, but I wanted to show you some of my new resin pieces. This one is on a wood panel. This is a canvas, and I said I wasn't going to do canvases anymore, but 3 of these are canvases. I just thought that the resin would really bring out the shine in that. Same with this one, as I try and reach forward. This one has iridescence in it. Hard to pick up on the camera, but... And then these, you can see that is where some resin got under the tape. I will sand those sides down. Oh my God, that looks like a really, really angry fish. Like a really pissed off fish. I did not see that before until just this second. This one is just my favorite. Oh my gosh, I love this one. And I just knew I had to resin it because it is just so pretty. But I also wanted to show you, I finally used this mat for my resin. If you use Osborne 5, there's a link in the description, so you'll get $5 off plus free shipping. I wanted, because normally I use paper, and I've been going through so much paper in the last few years, and I hate that because it's, you know, there's enough waste in this already. So like you can see, this is a giant piece of silicone. And it just peels right off. Just like that. So, super easy. You're not wasting paper. Nothing will stick to, you know, I didn't have to worry about my painting sticking to the paper and ruining it. So yeah, pretty sweet. So I just wanted to update you guys on this. And tonight there will be a paint mixing video about my Dutch Boy paint. Catch you next time. Bye.